First things first, let's understand what fungus gnats are and why they're attracted to our plants. Fungus gnats are the larvae of small flying insects that lay their eggs in moist soil. When these eggs hatch, the larvae feed on fungi, algae, and other microorganisms found in the soil. The problem arises when there's an overabundance of moisture in the soil, creating an ideal environment for fungus gnats to multiply. So, how can you tell if your plants have fungus gnats? Look out for tiny flying insects flitting around your plants, especially near the soil surface. You might also notice that your plants are developing yellow or wilted leaves, which is a sign of root damage caused by the larvae. Now, let's move on to some effective methods for getting rid of fungus gnats. One of the simplest and most effective ways is to allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. This will create an environment that's less conducive to fungus gnat development. You can also try using neem oil or insecticidal soap, which are gentle on plants but toxic to fungus gnats. Another approach is to use hydrogen peroxide to kill the larvae and eggs in the soil. Mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 4 parts water and use it as a soil drench. This will help break down any organic matter that might be contributing to the fungus gnat infestation. In addition to these methods, make sure to maintain good hygiene practices when handling your plants. Wash your hands thoroughly before touching your plants and avoid overwatering, which can create an environment that's ripe for fungus gnats to develop. By following these tips, you should be able to get rid of those pesky fungus gnats and keep your plants healthy and thriving. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on indoor gardening and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Happy planting!